In this lesson, we're going to look at solving multi-step equations with variables on both sides. So it's everything that you've learned with solving equations up until this point all combined together. So first thing that you're going to do, first step, always draw your line vertically through your equal sign to split your equation into two parts. Then you want to look and see if you can combine, distribute first. So the first thing that you want to do is distribute. So on this side, remember, this is multiplication, so you're going to distribute to everything inside your parentheses. So you're going to get 6 times 6v, and then plus 6 times 6. And then the minus 5, we haven't done anything with that yet, so you're just going to drop it down next to it. And you get 1 plus 6v, so nothing can be combined on that side, so you just drop it down. Then go ahead and simplify, so 6 times 6v is going to give you 36v. Be careful, make sure you remember your variable. Plus 6 times 6 is 36. And then bring down minus 5. And everything on the other side comes back down again. Then look and see if there's anything you can combine after you distribute. So on this side, this one has a variable. Nothing else on this side has a variable. But you can combine 36 and negative 5. So I'm going to combine positive 36, always take your sign in front, with negative 5. So 36v comes down, and then 36 minus 5, or 36 plus negative 5, either way, is going to give you positive 31. And again, drop everything down. Now, there's nothing you can't combine these because this one has a variable and this one doesn't. Same thing over here. So once you get to this point, you got to get all your variables to the same side. So I would move the smaller one. So in this case, I have 36v and 6v. So I'm going to move the positive 6v. So the opposite is going to be minus 6v. So 6 minus 6v cancels out. But if I do it to this side, I've got to do the same thing on my other side. So then 36 minus 6 is going to give me 30v. My 31 is still here, so plus 31 equals 1. Now it's just a two-step equation. So if you are still needing to write it all out, go ahead and do that. So I'll do that quickly. So read it starting with your variable, which is v times 30 plus 31. And then work backwards. So this is just a two-step equation from here on out. So the opposite of plus 31, you're going to subtract 31. So this is going to cancel out. So I'm going to subtract 31 on this side, so this crosses out. 1 minus 31 is going to give me negative 30. And then my 30v drops down. So this is now gone. Then my next operation is times 30. So the opposite is divide. So divide by 30. So that's what I want to do to this side because this is going to cancel. So I divide this side by 30. I'm left with v equals negative 30 divided by 30 is negative 1.